Good evening to the participants of the JCJ 2023, the Karibu Sana. Welcome to my virtual class, to the students of the Andhra Pradesh as well as the Telangana state. Anyone can unmute and read that what I posted on the screen without wasting the time. Click. Yes, I will read. Welcome to the aspirants of the JCJ 2023 on 15-04-2023 Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 multiple choice question IST 8:30 p.m. to 9:10. Of course, 0 is missing p.m. That is the which I put it on the screen. Yes. And the next point that I would like to make it out is that you, without wasting the time, we would like to shoot. Yes. Please see whether it is appeared on the screen or not. Okay, now the first question goes in this manner. The Legal Service Authorities Act 1987, Act number dash of 1987. A. Option 36, B option 37, C option 38, D option 39. Participants, anyone can unmute and give the right answer. Without wasting the time, of course, there is no negative marks. Shoot. The right answer is D. 39 is the right answer for the first question. That is the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987, Act number 39. Now the second question. The Legal Service Authorities Act 1987 was enacted by the Central Government of India pursuant to dash of the Constitution of India and the recommendation of its committee. Option A, Article 39. Option B, Article 39, capital A. Option C, Article 40. Option D, Article 40, capital A. Shoot any one among the four. Participants, are you hearing me? The right answer is B for Bombay. Article 39, capital A is the right answer. Now the third question. The Legal Service Authorities Act was enacted by the Parliament, which came into force on dash 1995 to establish a nationwide uniform network for the providing the free and competent legal service to the weaker section of the society on the basis of the equal opportunity. Options A, 8th November, B, 9th November, option C, 10th November, option D, 11th November. Which option is the right option among the ABCD? Shoot. Participants, unmute and shoot. Negative mass, there is no negative mass. The right answer is Bombay, B. 9th November is the right answer. The 9th November is the right answer for the third question. Now the fourth question. The Legal Service Authorities Act was enacted by the Parliament, which came into the force 9th November 1995 to establish a nationwide uniform network for providing the free and competent legal services to the dash section of the society on the basis of the equal opportunity. What is the appropriate word for the legal terminology? A. Weaker. B. Poor. C. Marginalized. D. Downtrodden. Which is the right and appropriate legal terminology, or the terminology suitable for the fill up the blank? Participants, are you hearing me or you are sleeping? The right answer is A, weaker is the right answer. So a weaker section of the society on the basis of equal opportunity. Then fifth question. Match the following section from part A and the explanation given in the part B. Part A, 22 capital B, 2, 22 capital C, 3, 22 capital D, 4, 22 capital E. The right hand side, part B, explanation. A, award of permanent lok adalat to be final. B, the procedure of the permanent lok adalat. C, cognizance of the cases by the permanent lok adalat. D, establishment of permanent lok adalat. Now option goes in this manner. Option A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Option B, 1C, 2B, 3D, 4A. Option C, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Option D, 1A, 2C, 3D, 4B. Should the right answer? The right answer is option A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. A for America. Now you see the feedback here. And 22 capital B, establishment of the permanent lok adalat. 22 capital C, cognizance of cases by permanent lok adalat. 22 capital D, the procedure of permanent lok adalat. 22 capital A, award of permanent lok adalat to be final. So that is the feedback. So the answer is A. Okay, now sixth question. Anyone can unmute and read the sixth question? Participants, anyone can unmute and read the sixth question? Now, how many sections are repealed under this act? A, 0, B, 1, option C, 2, multiple choice option D, 3. Should the appropriate among the ABCD? The right answer is A, 0. There is no repeal any section in this act. Okay, now seventh question. When the Kerala Legal Service Authority was constituted, the government decided to cancel the accreditation granted to them by the various voluntary organizations in the matter of rendering the legal aid services. The petitioner, a voluntary organization, took up the matter with the government with the exhibit 12, P12, pursuant to the wood, the government passed the exhibit prosecution 13, order dated 24/11/2000, wherein the government held that on the advent of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987, the government ceased to be the authority to give the accreditation to voluntary organizations like the petitioner, and it is for the KELSA, that is the Kerala Legal Service Authority, to take up that responsibility under the act was observed in the case of A, Forum for the Ambika Rajan Society versus State of Kerala, B, Social Justice Forum versus State of Kerala, C, Forum for Social Justice versus the State of Kerala, D, Social and Cultural Justice Forum versus State of Kerala. Out of A, B, C, D, which is the right answer? I will push to the another page. Yes, these are A, B, C, D. And these are the facts of the case of the seventh question. Participant, shoot anyone. The right answer is C. C for cat. Forum for the Social Justice versus State of Kerala is the right answer for the seventh question. Now the eighth question. Which option is the correct option among the four? Number 1. An act to constitute a legal service authority to provide 2. Free and competent legal service to the weaker section of 3. To ensure the opportunity for the securing the justice, or 4. Not denied any citizen by reason of economic or other abilities. Options A, 1 plus 2 plus 3, B, 2 plus 3 plus 4, C, 1 plus 3 plus 4, D, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Participants, shoot the right answer. The answer is America A, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then what is wrong in the 4? Not denied to any citizen by reason of economic and other abilities. And here I changed certain extent, not denied to any citizen by reason of economic and other abilities. No, it is a disabilities. The appropriate word is disabilities, but I wrote the abilities. So the fourth one is the wrong answer. Hence, the right answer is for the eighth question is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now the ninth question. The word legal service, how many times mentioned? Only the skeleton of the act or a summary of the act. Zawadi, present, gift, Indian rupees 50, if you give the right answer. Option A, 13, option B, 14, option C, 15, option D, 16. If you give the right answer, you will get the 50 rupees Indian rupees as a gift to you. Police Rana, it is the wrong answer. The right answer is A. 13 is the right answer. I said own the skeleton, not the explanation of the act. Please note the point. And the 10th question, schedule a fee for the advocate on record, virgule advocates appearing on behalf of the petitioner is A. Consolidated rupees 500, 5,000, B. Consolidated rupees 10,000, and C. Consolidated rupees 15,000, D. Consolidated rupees 20,000. This is the Supreme Court Legal Service Authority has fixed this amount. The right answer is 10,000 consolidated. Now the next question, 11th question. Again it is a Zawadi question. 11th question, Zawadi. Gift. How many times the term legal service are mentioned to the explanation section act? Means the explanatory full section act with the long title is also there and extended also there, and the definitions also fully given over there from 1 to the last section of this act. A. 96 times, B. 97 times, C. 98 times, D. 99 times. It is a Zawadi present 50 rupees, Indian rupees. The answer is 96. Is it? Yes, it is the 96 the right answer if I have not been mistaken. Yes, next question. Yeah, next question is, no, the right answer is 99. No, wrong. The right answer is 99. Anyway, check it once again. So 12th question, which option is the correct option among the four? A legal service includes the rendering of any service in the conduct of any case or other legal proceedings before any court or other authority or a tribunal and the giving that advice on any legal matter. B. The legal service includes the rendering of services in the conduct of any case or other legal proceedings before any court or other authority or a tribunal and the giving of advice on any legal matter. C. The legal service includes the rendering of any service in the conduct of any case and other legal proceedings before any court or authority or tribunal and the giving advice on any legal matter. D. The legal service includes the rendering of any service in the conduct of any case or other legal proceedings before any court or other authority or tribunal and the giving of advice on any legal matter. Among the ABCD, and here you are shown, among the ABCD, which one is the correct, appropriate, exact legal service wordings under the Legal Service Authority Act? Should. The right answer is A. Legal Service Authority, this which I highlighted here. This is the right answer. The rest of the other places I committed a mistake. No change are made in this, hence the right answer is A. But B, rendering of services, it should be rendering of any service. And there is no any here, rendering of any service, and here I removed the any service. Rendering of service made. So that is the wrong one. And see, in the conduct of any case and other, it is not any case and other. It is the any case or other. Where is that? Yes, any case and others here I wrote, but actually is or others. See, or others. So that is the made. The D. Other legal proceedings after. It is not after, it is before. See here, it is not after, it is before. Hence, B, C, D is wrong and the right answer is A. Is it clear? Now the 13th question. How many times article the Constitution of India are mentioned in the entire act? Yes, I also going to give the Zawadi for this one. How many times article of the Constitution is mentioned in the entire act? Of course, in the body only you will get it. In the skeleton you don't get all the explanation. A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. Anyone? The answer is C 2. 2 times articles were mentioned. How many times? It is 2 times are mentioned. Is it clear? Okay. Again I will give the Zawadi to you. Even though I did not write the Zawadi gift. 14th question. What are those articles of the Constitution of India which is mentioned under the Legal Service Authority in the explanation body? Article 22, A, B, Article 23 and Article 23, 238, C, Article 22 and Article 238, D, Article 23 and Article 239. Among the A, B, C, D, which is the right answer? Of course, here I did not write the A, but it is A. Anyone, capital A should have to write an. Yes, anyone? Unmute and speak. The right answer is Article, yes, Article 23 and Article 239, means D is the right answer. D is the right answer. D for Delhi is the right answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now 15th question. Again I will give the Zawadi. In which section of the above act are mentioned respectively? A. Section 2, Class G and 12, Class A. B. Section 2H, 12B. C. Section 2I, 12B. D. Section 2J and 12A. Here A means the Clause A. Should the right answer, those articles too, in which section it is mentioned under the Legal Service Authority? That is my question. And it is given in the option C. Section 2I and 12B it is given in the national in the above act, that is the Legal Service Authority Act. Now 16th question. How many times which part of the Constitution, because there are parts also there in the Constitution of India, is mentioned in the entire act? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, that is the parts are there. And which part is mentioned in the entire act of the Legal Service Authority? A, 0, B, 1, C, 2, D, 3. Did you understand the question? Because Constitution is divided into Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 and articles. Which part is mentioned in the Legal Service Authority Act? That is my question. Shoot, there is no minus marks. Today the people are sleeping and no one is uttering. Either the Matando problem. Here the right answer is B, 1 time. 1 time only the part is given. Now in which section the Constitution part is mentioned under this act? Is it section 4E, section 4F, option C, section 4G, option D, section 4H? Should anyone? I can give the Zawadi 50 rupees. At least now you can say. The right answer is D. Section 4H is the right answer for 17th question. Again, I can give the Zawadi if anyone wants to make it out. 18th question. Section 4H. To do all the things necessary for the purpose of ensuring the commitment to the fundamental duties of the citizen under dash of the Constitution. Which part? A. Part 4 capital A. B. Part 4 capital B. C. Capital 4. Roman uppercase Roman 4, C and D capital part uppercase Roman number 4 and capital D. That is the proper way of saying. So this is the option. Anyone can shoot it. I can give the Zawadi gift or present of the 50 rupees if you give the right answer. Polisana, wrong answer. It is the A, part 4, capital A is the right answer, which I given over there. Yes. 19th question, chapter 5 deals with which is the correct and exact sequence. The chapter 5 deals some explanation, and that explanation a proper and correct sequence. And here I have given the ABCD. A, accounts, finance and edit. B, finance, edit and accounts. C, finance, accounts and edit. D, edit, finance and accounts. Which is the proper sequence of the chapter capital Roman 5 title? Wrong. The answer is wrong. Answer is C, finance, accounts and edit. That is the appropriate way of. First finance, next accounts and edit. That is the title of the, that is the title of the chapter 5. Yes, Karbusana, welcome to my class. Yes, 28th question. In 1971, Dash introduced the legal aid scheme, which was overseen by the Legal Aid Committee. And who is the justice? Shaista, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Could you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I can see.
What is the answer for the 28th question? I repeat. In 1971, Dash introduced the legal aid scheme, which was overseen by the Legal Aid Committee. Option A, Justice Gajendra Gadkar. B, option Justice R.N. Mishra. C, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. D, Justice Khanna. Which is the appropriate justice in the Dash? Shoot, there is no negative marks. Hunch it, try it, and give the answer. I say there is no negative marks. The right answer is C, Justice P.N. Bhagwati is the right answer. In 1971, Justice P.N. Bhagwati introduced the legal aid scheme, which was overseen by the Legal Aid Committee. Now, 21st question. Are you there, Shaista? Read the 21st question, which I highlighted here. Unmute and read. Participants, unmute and read. 21st question. Are you hearing me? Anyway, that I will read it. 21st question. On the 5th December 1995, the National Legal Service Authority was established by Dash, which was an important contribution to the implementation of the Act. Which Act? Legal Service Authority Act. And who is the person? A, Justice R.N. Mishra. B, Justice Krishna Iyer. C, Justice Hidayatullah. D, Justice Fatima Bibi. Among the four, who is the pioneer justice for the National Legal Service Authority? Unmute and give the answer. If you give the right answer, I will give the 50 rupees as a gift. The right answer is Justice R.N. Mishra is the right answer. The first one is the right answer. Now, 22nd question. There was even an item on the committees headed by the Justice P.N. Bhagwati agenda on the eligibility criteria for the people to qualify for the free legal aid, which has been also mentioned in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 under dash to provide the free and competent legal assistance to a marginalized members of the society at the expense of the state. A. Section 301. Option B, Section 302, multiple choice C, Section 303, multiple choice D, Section 304. Unmute and give the right answer, whether A, or B, or C, or D. Anyone can unmute and give the answer. Are you hearing me, Shaista?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you are not giving the answer. Even though it is wrong, doesn't matter. You are not going to lose any marks. But at least your shooting will be shoot in proper way or not. I want to check it. Your hunching, your anticipation, your imagination, your sixth sense is working in a proper way. The way I taught, the different angles, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. That's what I would like to test. Sir, this is my first time here entering into your class. Ladies better than ever. The right answer is D. 304 is the right answer. And here I also have given some question, that is the question 23A. As established in dash 1979 within parentheses, legal aid will be provided at the expense and cost of the state to marginalized groups within the society, and the state is required to make such assistance available to the accused. And here I have given the case laws. Subdas versus Union Territory of Arunachal Pradesh, and B. Hussain-AP Khatun versus State of Bihar, C. P.T. Thomas versus Thomas Job, D. B.B. Muhyiddin Seva Mandir and other versus M. Kutti Hassan. This is the question and these are the answers. In which case law it was decided, or in which case law the above statement is done or made, because these are the cases, total cases. It is says about the legal aid, legal service authority. So, as established in dash 1917 case law, legal aid will be provided at the expenses and cost of the state. To whom? To the poor people, marginalized people, those who cannot afford for the legal fee, and within the society, and the state is required to make such assistance to them. And that is the first case law which has happened, and it is also a first case law where the public interest litigation is allowed.
Hussain-AP Khatun versus State of
Yes,
Bihar.
you're right. It is a Hussain-AP Khatun versus State of Bihar. When I give the other example that you gave this answer, because you are not the first time you heard it. Perhaps you might have changed your mobile with the name. That is the reason. It is a Hussain-AP Khatun versus State of Bihar is the answer for this question. And I asked the Zawadi gift questions many, at least 3 or 4, but you are a late joiner and you are the loser. And next, see the questions how I can frame, how can I deal. See, I will show you the reason. See, for instance, Lok Adalat Act of 1987 is there. What I do now, I will take this one, I will remove the section 19 of the act, then I ask only the dash of the act provides for the establishment of Lok Adalat. Legal service authority at all levels, including the center, state and district level, shall hold Lok Adalat. So I made this 4 option. Section 17, B, section 18, C, section 19, D, section 20. Shoot among the ABCD. So the right answer is section 19. See the way I am showing. So sometimes I will also make it out in different style. For instance, if you read this one, which I highlighted, that is on the screen. Unmute and read. Unmute and read what I highlighted on the screen. Legal service authorities at all levels, including, I made the dash, shall hold lok adalats. Options I will give: the central, the state and district level. Then I also made taluka level. Don't you think that taluka level there is a legal service authority? No. Taluka level, it is a committee is there. And hence, the option which I created is the wrong, and hence 1, 2, 3 only holds good. There I will ask the questions. A, 1 plus 2 plus 3, B, 2 plus 3 plus 4, C, 1 plus 3 plus 4, D, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Because the fourth one I concocted, I fabricated, because I wrote taluka. No, there is a taluka, local adalat is not there. It is only the committee is there if you happen to see. So that is the way that I would frame the questions, and it will be asked in any way in the examination. So please read some of the Lok Adalat, read the National Service Authority, the cases which is decided, and the National Legal Service Authority, the famous case law. Can you tell me? Sir, you give the option, I will tell you. Okay, I will give the hint. Transgender case law. Now you tell me. Transgender case law. Can you tell me the name of the case law? Very easy to say name of the case law. I did not ask who is the third LGBT organization which joined with the National Legal Service Authority to file a case, even a case, transgenders. In Telugu you say koja. In Urdu what do you say? In the English we can say Enoch. Hijda. It's the Hindi word as well as the Telugu, the Urdu word. They will be also given the equal right to education, right to work, right for the dignity. The case law name is, and here I will show you it is given the first case law, but I several times asked that case law, that's why I avoided it this time. See, read this case law, which I highlighted. Read this case law, which I highlighted. You are not present. Disappeared. Yeah, NLSA versus Union of India. That is the National Legal Service Authority of India. NLSA filed this case to recognize those who are outside the binary gender distinction, including the individuals who identify as a third gender. And there was a question that the court had to address regarding the recognition of the people who did not fit into the male or female or binary as a third gender. That is the case law which is there. So in this way, it can be asked in any angle. So you should be very much careful enough and read the 4 options and see that which is a very appropriate and close actions among the 4 options which are given over there. Don't make any of your own assumptions and presumptions. Pick it from the options only. And yesterday I dealt the 132 birth anniversary of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also be known as Baba Saheb. And hence I did not take the virtual class yesterday. But yesterday class will be compensated tomorrow, that is on Sunday. What is the yesterday class? Which I did not take it. Anyone? Anyone? I already posted to you. I don't know why you did not see it. Yes, my yesterday, yes, here I will show you that in schedule it is there. Yeah, I am in opening. Yesterday is the 14th April, and hence the 14th April, which I am supposed to deal, is the Criminal Rules of Practice 1990. So tomorrow class is a Criminal Rules of Practice 1990, which was supposed to deal yesterday because of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar 132 birth anniversary. I postponed to the tomorrow, that is Sunday. So be ready and read the Criminal Rules of Practice 1990 tomorrow as usual from India time 8:30 to 9:10. With this, I would like to stop my today lecture and let me say Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा। जय हिंद।
Jai Hind.